Alright guys, I thought before it get too much later we go ahead and cold start the Honda Civic. It's an 89 Civic 4-door DX. And I'll show you my sound system I got in it. I'll show you it first. Got the subs for 50 bucks. They had to do some repairs in the box, so altogether I got them for $55 with repairs. And I got this deck for free and paid $20 for the wiring and $45 for the amp. There's the subs, just a couple of really old Pioneers. There's the amplifier. It's a Pyramid 1000 watt. Works really good. We'll go ahead and start her up. Oh, don't mind the iPod wire. This is a cold start. It's not been started in 2 days. Oh heck, I forgot the key. Hang on a minute guys. Okay guys, got the key. Had a little bit of an interruption, so yeah, there's a little bit of light. Not doing much, but alright, let's cold start this pig. 2 days. By the way, it did have a we did get the water pump and timing belt and everything put in it. And yes, it's got an exhaust leak. The deck is just an old Sony Explode freebie. Let's see if I can find a game. Find one to play. Let's try B-Hamp, do the Ricky Bobby. How's that sound? Everybody loves this one. Basstronics Bass, I love you. guys go. There's a demonstration of the stereo, and there's the cold